Hello, RJ here from Link USA, here to talk to you about our LKG series of connectors. The LKG series is based on the MIL DTL 5015, the same one our classic LKA audio connectors are based on, which includes error-free mating, quarter-turn locking, IP68 when mated, as well as over 2,000 guaranteed mating cycles. There are several LKG configurations with combinations of 1, 2, 4, or 6 Cat6 connections, up to 36 individual contacts, 4, 12, or 24 either multi-mode or single-mode fibers, along with options for a single 20-amp circuit, a 3-phase 30-amp circuit, or 6 individual 20-amp circuits. Thanks to Link's unique ability to design both the cable and the connector, we're able to provide a matching cable configuration for all of the different LKG combinations. A really unique feature of the LKG connector is the LKG contact itself. Not only does it allow for full Cat6 data to be passed through, it also allows the shield to remain fully 360 degrees around the data connection, allowing for the best shielding possible. Let's take a look at a couple examples of LKG connectors. First, we're going to look at the 6Cat6 version, the LKG 326E. What's great about having 6 Cat6 connections in one multi-pin is it really allows you to have any sort of data signals you might need get from point to point. This can include gigabit Ethernet, of course, for things like Dante, AVB on the audio side, and ArtNet and ACN on the lighting side, as well as any sort of video over IP network, HD-Base-T, along with any sort of digital or analog signals, including but not limited to analog or digital audio, DMX, intercom, whether it's single wire or two wire, and really just anything that can be transmitted down a digital pair. We've seen a lot of applications for this particular connector for multiple Ethernet networks, as well as front of house runs, and video walls to get the multiple signals back and forth from the video wall processor. Next, let's take a look at the LKG 242E10, and in this particular example, we've got the classic Sean's box. So what we've got in this connector is 2 Cat6 connections, 6 data pins for, in the case of the usual cable for this, 2 digital twisted pairs at 110 ohms. So it can be used for analog audio, digital audio, DMX, COM, whatever you need, as well as a single 20 amp circuit in here so that you can power your front of house console, or we've seen some different applications for this for things like podiums and desks in schools, as well as any sort of portable equipment that might need a single circuit power and some data going back to it, like projectors using HD-Base-T. Finally, let's take a look at the newest connector from Link, the LKO 32T12M12S. So what this connector has in it is 3-phase 32 amps of power, 2 Cat6 connections, and then 12 single mode and 12 multi-mode fiber. What this really allows you to do is have a single backbone trunk going from one point to another, whether that's to your front of house run at a big festival, or it's to a pod of cameras in a broadcast application where you would then spoke out to different locations. You can pretty much get whatever you might need signal-wise into this connector and to your endpoint. Thank you for checking out this quick overview of the LKG series of connectors. We'll see you next time. It's the first video like this we've done, so if you have any comments or questions about what you'd like to see next or the LKG series of connectors, please let us know in the comments. Thanks.